What's going on YouTube? Today I got another good church song for y'all by Byron Cage. It's an old song called It Is To You. It's like a part of a medley that he did, I think, on his first album. But this is in the key of A flat. I believe it's in the key of A flat. Honestly, I didn't listen to it. It just came to me, but I believe that's the key it's in. But if not, I mean, you know, it's still good to learn every song in every key anyway. But this song, so we got A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, and back to your one, which is A flat. I give the glory, it is to you. 7, 1. For you have done. So we back here again, but this time it's not gonna be 5/7. It's gonna be a diminished. So much for me, and I will bless. Now this is a very popular, common church chord that you would hear, and it's always, a lot of times this melody is on top. So if you look at the note and we in A flat, it can make you feel like it's going to be a A flat chord. It could be a C minor chord. It can be, you know, if you was going to a F, it would be a C major or C dominant 7. So a lot of times when you hear moves like this, for you have done so much for me, and I will bless, it's usually going to a 2 dominant 9. So that's a B flat dominant 9. I'm playing it, you know, real layered. So you got B flat, F, A flat in the left hand. In my right hand, I have D, F, A flat, C. So a very popular chord, you gotta know that. In hymns, I mean, it's in choir songs, any type of gospel, good gospel stuff. If you hear this, I mean, usually they throwing that 9 in there, and it's a lot of times it's that top melody note. So for you have done so much for me, and I will bless your holy name. So it's just a still 2 dominant, or you could take the 9 out and just go to the 1. So if you following the melody, that's something too. You just gotta pick your spots where you want to follow the melody, because if someone's singing, you really don't have to be, you know, follow the melody so close. Just play the chords. But your holy name, and then it is to you. So that's just 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 major, 2 minor, 1/3, and then 4 major. Holy Father. Do something different right there. So just 1 over. You could do 1/3 again. So Holy Father. Now another, just to spice it up, don't go to the 1/3. If you will go to it, but throw this E in there in the bass. So if you do, it is to you, Holy Father. So completely different sound, and you can even bring it up some. So if you did, just different ways to voice that. But the chord is that churchy C augmented 7 with a sharp 9. But it's different ways to voice it to make it a little brighter if you want to, because you're playing A flat over C and you throwing that E in there. So one way you could do it is just, so if I did, it is to you, Holy Father, you could throw that, and then no one like you. So same as the beginning when we did the diminished. So no one like you, and I will bless. Now that right there, because people play some stuff differently. this is one way to do that walk up. If you do, so that's and I will bless, because the melody is not changing. And then if I play the, look at this, I'm gonna do a variation to the bass. So instead of going to the A, I went to A flat. So like I said, use your discretion how you want to do it, but that's just. So that's and I will bless, and I will bless. Now when you listen to the harmony, if you heard that, and I will bless, and I will bless, it's a difference. So depending on what part is taught to the choir, like this is when what the choir singing matters too, because if it's not a soloist and you got 3-part harmony going on, then you have to really find which chord is being sang by the choir. So it could be, or it would be, I think the diminish is better when you do. So that one is just F minor. Well, you could do F minor. You could do E flat over G. And then an A diminished 7 to B flat minor. But the other chord I did was, instead of doing the E flat, I did the just a G diminished 7. So you do, and then the other one was F minor, E flat over G, A flat major to B flat minor. So like I said, I would do the diminished, but some people play stuff differently. And then just to know, it's good to know different options that you have when you're playing stuff like this. So let's start from the beginning again. That's pretty much the song, but let's. I give the glory, it is to you. I give the glory, Lord, you have done so much for me, and I will bless your holy name. It is to you, Holy Father, no one like you, and I will bless your name. Bless your name, and I will bless your name forevermore. It's like, it's a suspended chord. So like a 1 suspended 4 to back to 1. So what part didn't I show y'all? So and I will bless 2 minor, 1, 5 over 7, and then 1, 1 over 3, 4, and then it does that again. And I will bless. Now down, so I did a little variation to that, and I will. So instead of playing diminishes, I'm just playing like you can say drop 2s, but just major chords over the third. So first inversion. So I'm playing F, just a regular F major really. Right here. This is an E flat with an add 9 because of the F, but I would say E flat over G. And then an F over A, or you could say F9 over A. And then to a B flat minor, your name. So, and I will bless your name. I will bless your name. And I will bless your name forevermore. You want that note to ring out more, because sometimes it sounds like it's getting lost around here. So, and I will bless your name. You will hear passages like that too. So 2 minor, 1, 5 over 7, and then you would do like a 6, 5, just passing. your name. Bless your name, and I will bless. So that's a flat 7 over 2. So do that again. And I will bless your name forever.